Yo, 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 what's good, YouTube? Your boy Rafa, S1K Rafa here again. This is gonna be a night vlog. I'm here with Mess once again, you know, the star of the show. I don't know how good this video is gonna look because it's nighttime and my settings aren't, you know, meant for that. At least not yet, but yeah, my camera's about to die. We're heading out to a car meet. They just posted an address. We said, let's go, let's pull up. The weather's still pretty good. We're just gonna head out there and see what's up. You know, it's gonna be a car show, but I'm sure there's gonna be bikes that are gonna pull up because the weather's kind of nice. Where the fuck were you at, bruh? Dead. Yep, my battery just died on my 360. It's not good. About a car meet that's gonna happen tonight. So they dropped the address like an hour ago. That's where we're headed now. But before that, we gotta kill some time because it's barely 6:40. So the meet don't start till 8 o'clock. We're headed down to downtown Dallas. Ah, you pussy! No kill switch. He can never get me. I don't think this bike turns off with the kill switch. Oh yeah, this guy wants to smoke. And Mustang wants to smoke with Caden. And by the way, if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, subscribe. The button's down below. You know, it don't take but a second just to click it. You know what I'm saying? Like, just give it some support, guys. And while you're down there, just give it a thumbs up. Give it a like. Yeah. This is Continental. But you know, I'm definitely thankful, you know, for how much support you guys show. It feels amazing, you know. You know, coming from somebody that I've been riding for quite some time now. Yeah. But yeah, like I was saying, you know, the love, I can feel it, you know, and you guys might think, you know, I don't make a dime out of this. I do it because I love it. Oh, it's a rock. I'm not making a dime, a cent out of this, other than the ambassador programs that I have. And I mean, they don't pay me. They just, you know, they give me free stuff here and there. You know, it's not even a whole lot, but other than that, it's like, this is all new to me. You know, I've been riding for so long, and it's just, man, I never thought I was gonna be in this position, you know, and it's honestly, I'm nowhere, you know. This is still nothing. You're still good. You know, this is just the beginning, you know. From here, we just go up, baby. We just go up. We keep it going. You know, gotta show YouTube what I could do, gotta show you guys what I can do. I just thought I'd let you guys know. Inspirational moment out of it, you know, and just let you guys know that I'm forever thankful on every single person that has given me the opportunity to get this far. Mess, bro. I mean, this guy right here, he turned like into a brother to me, you know. Crazy, you know, crazy where life gets you. I met this dude like almost 10 years ago, and look at us now, you know. We didn't used to ride this much back then. All right, we were just killing some time now because we pulled up early to the meet, but we're in downtown Dallas. We're about to we kind of let some people to get in there first, you know, that way we can kind of just pull in and you know, get some good spots or something, you know.
Wash it on?
Yeah. Let's go. You know, hopefully it's a good turnout. We don't even know if they had to pay or nothing. We're just pulling up. Oh, we got the bubbles already. Comedy, man. Cops already pulling up. See who they can bust. Got a couple of vets up here. What's up, guys? That's good, that's good. You know, we're early for the most part. I know there's more in the parking lot. Yep, they're getting here. Oh, he's got a clear hood. It's pretty dope. I hadn't seen that. What's up, bro?
We got the bikes parked right here, and it's absolutely packed. People just said that over 1,200, 1,600 people are supposed to show up. It's crazy. You know what I'm saying? The parking lot over here, people are still trying to come in. Look at this. Check this out. Absolutely packed. Absolutely packed. Cars trying to come in every direction. We're right in downtown Dallas. That's where it's at. Oh, it's already cops pulled up. Cops already here. Yeah, it's gonna get shut down for sure.
He's pulling in?
Yeah, he's pulling in.
Oh,
there's already a cop right there.
he's just blocking it off.
How are we gonna get out? Tickets, everybody.
They're gonna make so much revenue. What the fuck?
Alright, we're about to head out because the cops got here and just kind of got out of control. Yeah, it got too rowdy, you know. A lot of people were saying that over 1,200, 1,500 people that they were coming or something like that. Yeah, it got a little crazy. got cops in every corner just kind of blocking the streets. Thank you, officer. Bruh, I can't see a damn thing. Got my dark visor on and got a little bit confused back there. Oh shit! Fucking mad, bro. Yeah, bro, you were testing that shit, bro. He like turned his back lights on. Yeah. That was lit. You got like this close to him, bro. I like that.
You like not going around him or what?
I went on the left. I was waiting, bro. I was low-key waiting for him to turn on the lights and like, you know, it would have been a good video. But he didn't. Alright guys, I think I was just gonna close it out here. That's it. You know, we were at that event. It kind of got crazy. From there, we just kind of came to Fuel City, downtown Dallas, and we're just gonna kick it here for a little bit and then head back home safely. You know, if you watched the video this far, I want to say thank you. Love you guys. Appreciate the love. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. I would really appreciate that. What's up, bro? But yeah, we're gonna kick it here for a little bit with the boys. Matt's about to head home. I'm gonna head home. You know, we made it far throughout the night, so let's make it safe. Let's just close out the vlog here. Thanks so much for supporting, guys. I really do appreciate that, every single one of y'all. Till the next one, peace.